Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know my hair looks out of control right now. I have bags under my eyes. I was at work at my business since like 3:30 in the morning. So yeah, bear with me, but I am going to get into this and share my screen with you guys. What I wanted to go over with you without scaring you guys, okay? This is not meant to get clickbait. This is just what it is what it is. I mean, these charts don't lie. That's what's so great about numbers. That's what's so great about the stock market. These numbers do not lie. So basically, what we have here is we are looking at the overall trend of the Dow Jones Industrial Average stock market since 2016, okay? This is what we're looking at. Now, this line right here is long-term trend. Now let's zoom in on 2020. This line right here is your short-term trend line. Now, these are ascending trend lines. We've been in an overall, obviously, an ascending market. We've been in a bull market for many, many years now. But as these two trend lines converge at literally the exact same place, and what I'll do is I'll zoom in over here and I'll show you, this is the last couple trading days. I'm sorry if you guys hear my daughters in the background playing with their Barbies. By the way, you might want to buy stock in Mattel, because if you would see my house, you literally see Barbies everywhere. But anyway, let me see. Let me get my my thoughts back. Okay, so anyway, now what we are looking at and what I have boxed out here for you guys. This blue line right here is the 20-day exponential moving average, okay? On these 2 days, it broke through the EMA, but it closed the day above it. Right here, these 2 days, it broke below it, but closed above it. Right here, which was the last trading day, this was Friday, it touched the 20-day EMA to the penny and closed above it. Okay? We also touched our short-term trend line here. We touched it here, and we're just about to it on the long term. The reason why I'm making this video is because I want everyone, now that you guys are subscribed to my channel, and you're watching my content, I just want you guys to be aware of the possibility, which is what happened down here, the possibility that if we close below this 20-day EMA, there is a very good possibility that the stock market corrects itself and comes back down like it did here. This was a correction here. This was a correction here. And in both times, and by the way, corrections in a bull market are extremely healthy. And you actually want them to happen, because once it corrects, then you'll keep going up. So a correction is healthy. It's nothing to be scared about. You just, the reason why I'm telling you guys up here is watch your long positions. I would not be emptying my bank account right now and buying tons and tons of stocks, okay? I would first wait until we get a pullback or a correction. Now, corrections are usually about 10%. A 10% move, it corrects, and then, you know, eventually we continue up higher, breaking through previous highs, which is 31,223 right now on the Dow. So now I just want everybody this week especially, there's 4 trading days this week. Let's see what happens. Will the market close below the 20-day EMA that it has tested now 4 times? 2 times here, once here, once here. And every time it has closed above it. The times that it closed below it, you were looking at corrections. And then great times to buy once it got close to the 200-day moving average. The only problem is over here, it was only about 10% away. Look at how far we are from the 200-day. So this could be a pretty dramatic correction, you know, if it ends up happening, and if we close below this line. So all I want you guys to do is on your charts, just plug in a 20-day exponential moving average, which is how I set up my charts, and a 200-day simple moving average. This is the 50-day simple moving average also. It's also a very good indicator. As you can see back here and here, this is the 50-day, and here it respected this line really well. But then once we break down, then it goes to the 200-day, and you're looking at way more of a correction. So if it breaks through the 20 EMA, next target we're going to be looking at, will it break below the 50-day? If it breaks below the 50-day, then it's one, you know, I don't want to say 100% because then people are going to get on me if it doesn't. But if we break through this 20-day and then the 50-day, you're looking at a pretty steep drop off. So guys, I hope that you found this video interesting. If you did, hit the like button. It helps out the algorithm for us small channels just starting out. It won't bring you to all the big guys. There's a lot of little guys that have great knowledge, like myself, that are just starting the channel, and we want to screw with those algorithms. So yeah, screw you, YouTube. Probably going to get canceled now off YouTube. So anyway, and if you are new to the channel, subscribe. You'll like what you see. I make a lot of educational videos for beginner traders, trading futures, options, stocks, you know, swing trading, trading momentum stocks. We also have a great video that you guys should check out. It's how to recreate Ross's Warrior Trading high of day momentum scanner, and I do it all for free. All you need is the Think or Swim by TD Ameritrade, and you can get those same stocks to show up, and it's free, and you don't need a subscription. You don't need to buy them from Trade Ideas and all these other places. So that's on my channel also. So hit the subscribe button, and I will be posting videos basically every day. And then I'll go over my trade recaps as well. So guys, if you're long, be cautious. You know, I'm not trying to scare anybody, but just got to be aware of where we are in the stock market right now. Yeah, it looks great. I mean, we're at all-time highs. Now we're trading off of them by a little bit, but what goes up so much has to come down in a good market. Corrections are healthy, and you love to see them because then we could get stocks at better prices. Who doesn't want to buy, you know, Apple for $105 instead of, you know, 128 or whatever it is now, you know? So yeah, corrections are good, and then we're gonna buy the dip. Now, set your watch lists. I have my watch list set. Pullback buys is what I called it. I'm actually going to link it up here. The way that you make watch lists is simple. Hit this plus sign down here and then hit watch list. And then you can click on indexes, edit indexes, and you can just add your stocks here as you go. There's Apple. That's not Apple. It's AAPL. Whatever you want to do. Facebook, Apple, Amazon, anything, whatever you guys want to look at. But you know, when they pull back, then we can get in there and scoop them up when we get down here closer to the 200-day. All right, so that's how you guys make a watch list, and this is just what I'm seeing. Doesn't mean it's going to happen, but just be careful up here. All right, guys, we'll see you on the next video. Enjoy the rest of the holiday, Martin Luther King Jr. Day. It's a great holiday. Enjoy it with your family, and I will see you bright and early for tomorrow's trading. All right, everyone, take care.